Number 86. Sodium bicarbonate, aka baking soda, which is NaHCO3, can be purified by dissolving it in hot water at 60 degrees Celsius, filtering to remove insoluble impurities, cooling it to 0 degrees Celsius to precipitate solid NaHCO3, and then filtering to remove the solid, leaving soluble impurities in solution. Any NaHCO3 that remains in solution is not recovered. The solubility of NaHCO3 in hot water of 60 degrees Celsius is 164 grams per liter. Its solubility in cold water at 0 degrees Celsius is only 69 grams per liter. What is the percent yield of NaHCO3 when it is purified by this method? Okay, so a lot of words going on here. However, they only give us basically two numbers. They're not telling us of any type of reaction in which NaHCO3 is reacting with something, right? They're just basically filtering it and removing impurities, but I'm not, combining it with any other compound. So I can basically go straight to the percent yield formula, which is this. Percent yield is just basically a percent formula, right? It's just part divided by whole. Now, it looks like we have two solubilities here. At 60 degrees Celsius, we have 164 grams per liter that will form in a solution. And for the solubility in cold water, we only have 69 grams per liter. So out of these two numbers, it seems like the higher one is going to be basically the theoretical yield, right? So that number is going to be on the bottom. 164 grams per liter. Now here's the catch, guys. They want to know what's the percent yield of NaHCO3 when it's purified by this method. Now, when we're purifying a substance, right, it's going to be basically a solid, right? A solid is a precipitate, and that's what it's saying here. But if we're cooling it down to 0 degrees, we're going to precipitate, aka make a solid of NaHCO3. And then that's the percent that we want to find out. How much of this is actually a solid? Now, they're saying that all of the soluble stuff, which is the liquid form, I guess we can say, or the stuff that's still in the solution, gets washed away. That's impure, right? And if that's not added into the yield, we don't care about it. Now in here, they're telling us that the solubility of cold water is 69 grams per liter. A solubility by definition is anything that is still in solution. This is the max amount of product or max amount of the NaHCO3 that is going to be in solution. It is not going to be the solid. So how do I know how much is going to be in the solid? Well, here's the total number. If 69 grams of it is going to be in the solution, the leftover is the solid form, the precipitate. So 164 minus 69 is going to give us our solid amount. So 164 minus 69, I get 95. That's the actual yield that we're getting when we purify this. So that's what's going on here, 95 grams per liter. Now we're ready to do the yield. So this one was a trick one, guys. So percent yield is going to be the 95 divided by the 164. Just move this down. And then we get our answer. Whoop. So let's just do this quick, and then we are good to go. 95 divided by 164 times 100 is roughly a 57.9 yield. I mean, if you want to do sig figs, it looks like we should only have 2 of them, so 58%. I don't care about sig figs, but your teacher, professor may, but that's up to you guys to just know, okay? So there you go. 58% is recovered, which is the precipitate, aka the solid. thank you so much for, coming to this video, to seeing how it's done. Hopefully this helped. Let me know in the comments. Love talking to you guys. I hope you guys, do well in your future quests. That was a combination of quiz and test. Good luck on your quests, guys. And I will see you in the next lesson. Okay, bye-bye.